Welcome, friends. Let's take a few minutes to find a sense of peace and reduce stress of the day. Finding a comfortable seat. Taking a big, deep breath in. Exhale out of your mouth. And close your eyes. Taking another deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. Big, full exhale out of your mouth. Let go. Another big, full breath in. And as you exhale, let go. Just bringing your awareness to your breath. Noticing the cool air as you breathe in. Bringing your awareness to the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, no errands to run or emails to answer. For the next few minutes, give yourself the gift of time. Time to just be. Breathing in. Exhale, relaxing your shoulders down onto your body. With each breath, notice a sense of peace and relaxation coming over you. Calm, tranquil, peaceful. We all have an internal mechanism of fight or flight, and it usually serves us. It allows us to run away from danger and to be on our guard when things are not well. But our bodies are not meant to stay in this constant state of tension. However, with the stress of the modern world, our minds and bodies stay in a hyper state of survival, which can cause mental and physical issues like anxiety, depression, burnout. Let's become calm. Let go of that internal sensation of fight or flight to de-stress. Bringing your hands into prayer at your heart center. In gratitude for gifting yourself time to relax and reconnect with peace and tranquility. For making your well-being a priority today. Releasing your hands. Breathing in, already feeling less tension in your face. Breathing in, already feeling less tension in your face. And your heart is lifting, feeling buoyant as the weight comes off of your shoulders. When we're anxious or stressed, we tend to breathe shallow. By slowing down our breath and breathing deeply, our bodies can then relax. We're going to breathe in for a count of 5. Exhale a count of 5. Exhale fully. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now for a count of 6. Exhale fully. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, slowing down the breath, counting to 7. Exhale for 7. Exhale fully. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Allowing your breath to come to a normal pace again. When we feel stressed and anxious, we can hold a lot of tension in our bodies. Just noticing the muscles in your face. Relaxing your eyes, especially in between the eyebrows. Softening your jaw and mouth. Relaxing all of the tension in your forehead. Just taking small, slight circles with your head, stretching the neck. Not any big neck rolls, just tiny movement to release any muscles that may be tight in your neck. And as you exhale, soften your shoulders down away from your ears. Allowing all of your muscles in your upper back to soften. Big full inhale, lifting the heart. Exhale out of your mouth. In your mind's eye, picture a place of peace and tranquility. It can be a place you visited a long time ago, or somewhere that you frequent often. It can even be an imaginary place that has yet to be discovered. This place fills your heart and spirit with peace and joy. Everything is right in this place. There's no hurrying or rushing around. It is as if time stands still. Breathing in, noticing the stillness, the serenity. Everything is peaceful around you. There's a sense of calm in the air. Giving yourself permission to let go. Let go of all that does not serve you today. Let go of stress. Let go of the pressure you put on yourself. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale, letting go. Allowing the stress and worry of the day to drift away from you. Breathing in. Exhale, let go. All is right in your world. Whatever comes your way, you can handle it with a calm presence. Breathing in peace, calmness, carefree spirit. Breathing in tranquility, patience, joy. Bring your right hand over your heart, cupping it with your left. Sealing in this peaceful place that you are in right now so that it will carry you through the rest of your day.